Me Portable Electric Air Compressor. This is an electric air compressor the size of a hand. From box description we can read that it is designed to pump car, motorcycle, bike tires and even footballs, volleyballs, etc. This device has digital tire pressure detection, built-in presets and inflation pressure ranges from 0.2 to 10.3 bar. It sounds impressive. Charging time is about 3 hours. Fully charged battery allows to work for 30 minutes. The box contains air compressor, Presta valve adapter, needle valve adapter, charging cable and storage pouch. On the top is located high-pressure air hose, flashlight. In front is located LCD display and operating buttons. On the sides we have air intakes. The build quality of the inflator is quite good. The plastics feel robust, the touch and all of its body panels and tightly put together. The matte black finish feels good to the touch, is easy to grip. Before doing some tests we have to charge the battery. Battery is fully charged. Let's do the test with car tires. Left rear tire has pressure about 1.7 bar. Let's connect the compressor. After removing high-pressure air hose from its compartment, the air compressor automatically turns on. Now, I'm choosing preset for car eaters and setting the desirable pressure to 2.2 bar. I'm connecting the air hose. Display is showing current air pressure, which is the same as on the gauge cluster on the car. Center round button is for start. After 4 minutes tire is pumped to 2.2 bar and the device stops automatically. The gauge cluster on the car is showing almost the same pressure. Thanks to its compact dimensions, this handy gadget can be taken almost anywhere with you and will not take up much space in your backpack or car. This is highly recommended for cyclists. The filling up of tires is quick and you can do it multiple times after charging it once. The same applies to motorcyclists too. However, if you often needed to inflate the wheels of a car or motorcycle, a more powerful compressor would be worth considering. If you want to quickly blow up all 4 wheels of the car, you will spend significantly more time than with a compressor at the gas station.